Today is a very special video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is a very special video because we are currently at Half Pitch Fun Fly in the UK, and this is a type of video that we've never done before, or something that we have never been able to do before. And today we will be unboxing the UH-1Y Venom by the Goosky Team, and it has just arrived in the UK, so we are super excited to see what happens and what is in the box. Because we just received the heli today, this morning, and we've been raring to go to see what is inside.
The Huey M edition had 2 rotor blades, and it was a flybar heli in real life. But the Huey Y edition has no flybar and 4 rotors.
The Goosky is based on the Y edition of the helicopter, and it contains an S2 inside. As described by some of their team pilots, it can go up and down, round and round, and left and right. So it's an extremely nice model.
Let's get into it. Where's we open it? Here. Oh, a nice packaging, just like EQS1.
Oh yes, you've got the foam box.
Oh, Goosky logo.
There's a kit for you. That's what it's going to look like. And
ooh, this time it has a big handle.
Oh my god, it does. And I have to figure out how to open it. And it comes with a battery. Let's go. We don't have to buy a battery. So this is the heli here. As you can see, it is an S2, but obviously with a shell, so everything is based on the S2, which is why it's called the E2. And it is an awesome looking heli, actually. From what I know, the door can open. Although don't quote me on that, I took that from team pilots and I don't know if it was sarcasm.
Okay, extra parts.
From what I've heard, it is a left clipper heli, so make sure you put the blades on right, because otherwise things won't go well.
Left clip, okay, left side. Right, here are the bolts.
That's quite nice that you've got everything in the kit that you need to assemble it, so you've been given screwdrivers. It's a shaft. Is that a shaft? Maybe it's a spare? Can't quite figure that out. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a spare shaft, I think.
You can see the motor there, the Goosky motor. And where do we have our
battery?
Oh yes, that's a tail, also 4 blades right there. So it's quite a cool looking heli. It's definitely very well done, very well made. It's a stunning piece, and super excited to see it fly.
Where do you put the battery?
It can fly, from what I know, with 1300 batteries as well as the 1600.
Oh, we just take that part off. Okay. You have to take the nose off somehow.
Should I try and
read the manual first?
I don't know where the
radio. Okay, I got this. We don't need it.
I'm very scared. Wait, can I make a Goosky pilot open it, and then I don't have to pay for it if they break it?
Yeah.
There, right there, is your battery compartment.
If I know correctly
you've got the cable there. Looks awesome. Excited to try it eventually. I might be able to put it together tomorrow. Let's see what happens.
If I know correctly, these 2 bits are cable cutters. They're meant to cut the cables if the heli goes near cables. the thing with the marker.
I like the snap mechanism, and apparently, I don't know. I'm not going to try. But yeah, it's a cool looking model, so
So good. I'll take it out. Make sure.
yeah, go on. I mean, this man has never seen the E2, and this is his first reaction to the E2. I mean,
That's awesome. It's got guns! Oh yeah!
do you want to open it? I don't know if the door's open. I'm a bit scared to move those, but I can open the canopy for it. Listen, if he breaks it, we can get Goosky to pay for it. I mean, but it's very modern technique. It snaps off.
Hey.
There you go.
Oh wow, look at that battery.
Yeah,
That's 1600. Holy moly. That's going to fly forever.
Actually, only
Apparently
15
the flight
minutes.
time is around 15 minutes. Oh wow! it's not charged.
Let's go!
Woo!
It's got a light! Look at that! Has it got lights anywhere else?
I don't know. Apparently, I think it does, but or you can add lights or something. I don't know. I'm sure things work. I mean, you might have a bit of trouble flying it right now. It doesn't contain any blades, but
Oh, we'll just throw these on. We'll do a little bit of what's his name? Kevin
Hart.
No. Talbot, yeah, we'll do a bit of magic. Whoosh! And then you cut.
Let's rewind because this wasn't that easy, although it wasn't that difficult either. The only problem was we knew that if we dropped a bolt and not a washer or anything in the grass, there is no way we can find it. One more thing, the tail rotor needs attention. Everything else is pretty straightforward.
He wants to fly it anyway.
Oh yeah, 100%. You want to fly it?
Okay guys, this time, this is a special unboxing video.
Oh
We
my
will
god,
put it together.
I fly it!
It will fly.
Oh, his binding manual. It's in Chinese. Good luck.
Ah, we don't need that.
Fly it! How do you put this together? Now, how do you put this together? CGI magic.
It's taken me longer than I thought it would.
CGI magic.
I'm not left-handed and I can't fit the screwdriver.
Yes.
Apparently.
Adam charging Barry and Adam's.
I've never finished a heli this quickly. I mean, how does it go on here?
I think he just clicking down.
No, not doing all right. Everything's going terribly wrong. How far am I supposed to? Okay, let's pull this over here so that even if I drop it, I don't commit. Ooh. Oh, I've got this. I don't got this. Go in the hole. Ooh, I hate the angle. It's awful. I think
Also,
that's on.
Huey,
Wow, guys, I am so good.
don't
at
try to
building holes.
flip it on its
I
back,
finished the
right?
entire thing in about 15 minutes.
don't try to put it on its back.
It's
No? Okay.
I mean, if you want to fly it inverted, go on, but don't crash it. I mean,
No, these helis don't go inverted.
I've seen someone fly it inverted, so maybe, you know.
That's flies in verses. Right. Cool. So it's just binds now.
Yeah.
Where's the bind button?
Are you still sure we don't need the manual? It says it's intended for users aged 14 and older. Keep out of reach of children.
No.
It says, before using this product, please read this document.
Yeah, but I didn't read that.
Okay, it says it's E2 set up for other transmitters. Connect the receiver to the flight control and bind your transmitter.
It's got built-in. Yeah.
Yeah.
So does it just go into bind mode.
I don't know, there should be a button somewhere. Where's the button?
Where
That's not
is
the thing I'm looking for. Where is the thing I'm looking for? 1 second.
Where's the button? Where's the freaking button?
It's a lot easier when you can see all the inside bits of a heli, can't you?
Yeah.
Is that it?
What?
Is that the button? There's supposed to be that thing in it somewhere. And there's supposed to be like a bind button on it, but I can't find the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was that? Give it
Wait,
to the
I think
expert.
it's up there.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I see the bind button.
Oh, I see, I'm blind.
I better fly then.
Select swash plate type, set up throttle hold, set up the 5 channels and switches for pose and manual mode.
Where's that little screwdriver gone?
Yes. There's a longer one if you need it. I've confused the Goosky guy with a Goosky.
No? Perfectly. Alright, let's go into... Boom. It's alive.
Please make sure it's set up correctly before you... In case you've accidentally reversed the pitch or, you know, the ailerons are the wrong way around, I don't know.
Tuck that out the line.
What have I done?
It's awesome. Right, okay, so...
Wait, we first got close
Right,
the
pitch
door.
up. Yes, pitch up works. Right. Can't really see the swash plate, but I'm going to go forward. That looks forward to me. Yeah, forward. Backwards.
Yeah, yep,
Forward,
yep,
backwards,
yep.
yeah. Left, right.
Yes.
Left, right, left, right. Tail can't really do tail, can we?
So we can.
Yeah, let's
Cross
just
our
hope it's
fingers
exactly the
and-
same as an S2.
This is brilliant, man. What am I Have I put it together right? If not, I blame you. Oh my god.
I'll do the classic scale trick. Left hand.
We learned 2 things here. Lesson number 1, this heli needs RPM, otherwise it can end up in the grass, how it happened to us. Lesson number 2, the grass and the bottom cable cutter are not good friends. We lost the bottom cable cutter, sadly. No other damages happened to this heli, fortunately.
Yeah, maybe don't do that.
Okay. Right, okay. We've got some...
Does it feel like the S2?
No, it feels actually completely different.
Wow. It can go backwards. Careful. More like an agricultural term, but yeah. You seem to be having a lot of fun with this. Oh, careful, there's a heli on your right, I think. Oh. He's having a lot of fun with it.
It's been a bit, I reckon.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. Ooh. Too small and too heavy. I was very worried I had put it together wrong.
It's not man.
Oh, nice. So quiet.
Yeah. It's been here for a while.
I've just been sitting with you and
I swear you are like a ghost. You sort of appear and then you disappear and
yeah. I like it like that.
then you bring out the avocado costume and
Oh, that's the next. I'm thinking what to do the next year.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We hope that you take a liking to this heli. Thank you again, Frankly and Goosky, for your contribution, obviously, for this model, and your kindness in sending us this, and of course your sponsorship on this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, here is a video about the S1 review, and here's another video for you to check out. So thank you again, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.